Gold prices are moving a little bit higher on Monday, above $1,300 again. Here to talk to us today, as he usually does on Monday, is Phil Streible of RJO Futures. Phil, thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So Phil, looking at this price increase, what's going on?
Well, we saw equity futures. They came off of that 1875 was the close on Friday. Now we're backing off. We're in the 1860s. I think it's a rush into just a little bit of safety. I think traders are concerned that equity prices could continue to break down. Gold seemed to be on sale anytime it's below that 1300 level. So it's going to trade up to that point. 1300 is about a pivot point, but realistically, you need this breakout through 1320 to come out of this giant triangular, wedge formation. And if we get above that 1320, then I think, the sky's the limit.
Some information coming out of India that could help the physical market of gold is that the now ruling party that will be incoming is supposedly supportive of bringing down those tariffs. I wonder if that will be competing with the most recent news of commitment of traders that shorts have been added in the most recent week.
Yeah, I was a little bit surprised on that short position. I think that, that data is collected. It's a little bit older, and I think when gold prices originally broke below that 1300, I think a lot of those traders started those short positions, but with gold trading back over 1300, I think that those longer term players, those trend following type players, they'll have those stop losses above, close above that 1320 level. Now, as far as India, I think this is a great thing. I think India is trying to stimulate their economy a little bit. They're a large player in the gold market. By them, relaxing the tariffs for the exports, it'll start to get some movement going back around in gold. I mean, China's been a big buyer of gold recently, and perhaps, some agreements between those two could really make a flow happen of gold.
All right, Phil, as always, thanks for giving us your take.
Thank you.
That's Phil Streible of RJO Futures in Chicago. For TheStreet in New York, I'm Joe Deaux.